SafeCraft wall-mounted baby changing station, horizontal by Foundations, is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. The SafetyCraft baby changing station is made from durable, easy-to-clean, high-density polyethylene which is inherently bacteria-resistant. Its clean design fits virtually all decors, and is excellent for cost-conscious customers. All models are ADA compliant when properly installed and include built-in liner dispensers, all necessary mounting hardware, safety strap and buckle. Easy mount backer plate optional. The horizontal polyethylene diaper changing station is the manufacturer's best-selling changing station, and is an industry standard as the most preferred changing position. Required mounting surface 16 inches high by 24.25 inches wide. Changing surface extends 17.5 inches from wall in open position. Measure up 42 inch from the floor and mark the wall-mounted horizontal baby changer for use in commercial restrooms, new construction daycares and preschools. Bacteria-resistant station is made of high-density polyethylene, and is easy to clean. Smooth, concave changing area with safety strap and buckle. Meets ADA, ANSI, and ASTM standards, and includes a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Includes built-in paper liner dispensers, necessary hardware, and a convenient bag hook.